This is meant to be a quick overview of the color wheel. So I'm going to do it first in just marker. Basically, the color wheel is made up of three different types of colors. The primary colors, the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors. Primary colors are the very first colors that cannot be made by mixing other colors together. If you want red, yellow, or blue, you pretty much have to buy them from the store. Now, red and yellow make a secondary color called orange. Red and blue make a secondary color called violet, and yellow and blue make a secondary color called green. Red and blue make violet, blue and yellow make green, and red and yellow make orange. Therefore, the primary colors make the secondary colors. Remember, these three are the primary colors. Now, one primary and one secondary mixed together makes a tertiary color, as noted by three circles. Red and violet make red-violet. Blue-violet is made by mixing together blue and violet. Blue-green is made by mixing together blue and green. Yellow-green is made by mixing together yellow and green. Yellow-orange is made by mixing together yellow and orange. Red-orange is made by mixing together red and orange. So there are 6 tertiary colors, 3 secondary colors, and 3 primary colors. So I'm going to do this again, but I'm going to add color to it as I go. Remember, there are 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. You have to buy those from the store. You cannot mix any colors together to get a yellow. You cannot mix any colors together to get a blue or to get a red. But red and blue mixed together make violet. Yellow and blue mixed together make green. Yellow and red mixed together to make orange. And then the tertiaries are made by mixing these colors, a primary and a secondary. So yellow and green make yellow-green. Blue and green make blue-green. Blue and violet make blue-violet. Red and violet make red-violet. And orange and red together make red-orange. I almost forgot. There's one more color here. Yellow and orange together make yellow-orange. And this is a color wheel. Keep in mind that there are variations in between all of these tertiary colors as well. And then if you need these colors to be lighter, you'd add white. If you need them to be darker, you'd add black. There's a video that I made called Tints and Shades that you can watch to follow up with this video and learn how to make tints and shades. I circled my primary colors once, my tertiary colors 3 times, and my secondary colors twice. Here's a color wheel in another format. Here's a close-up of the primary colors, blue, red, and yellow. Remember that blue and yellow make green, red and yellow make orange, and blue and red make violet. So that was it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If it was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any. Please share this on your favorite social media platform or post it on your teacher website. Go make some colors.